Guys, so it is Saturday morning. Now it was -1 last night and fall hasn't even begun yet. So in my eyes, that means snow can happen at any time. So what I'm gonna do before that actually happens is I gotta fertilize this, get it ready for winter. So I'll be doing the putting green, main yard. As you guys know, I am a huge fan of using a starter fertilizer pretty well year round, except for when it's snowing. And that's about it. So I'm just gonna do this, just a quick video, and yeah, water this. All right guys, so I got 2 bags of this CIL starter fertilizer. This covers just about 2,000 square feet. I have about 5, so I'm using 2 bags, so it's slightly on the low side, but either way it'll be fine. And then for the putting green, I got my Scots because it's a fine pro. So it's getting a full dose, 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet, which is slightly low too, but that's fine. But either way, I got to get this down, get it watered in, because winter's on its way. But look at that green, you see that? Loving it. Let's get at this. Alright, so it's time to do the main yard. So what I'm going to do is I'll walk around the perimeter first and then just start going back and forth every which way till I'm out of fertilizer, and then water this in, have a beer, enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go. Alright, so fertilizer's down. All that's left to do is water it in. So let's do that. And yeah, we're good to go. Alright, so I'll actually be watering 3 times today, just to make sure that it's soaked in, broken down, and getting down into the root zone, because I really need this to take off as quick as possible. And that's it.